Hello, my lovely people. You're welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. We are still on the palace matter, oh, my correct people. Now, Toby matter, we don't carry come again, oh. Allegedly, they say that Olori Toby Phillips she's about to enter into serious problem. As she don't dey use her hand, they create problem where there is no problem. Now, warning have been coming from everywhere. Uh, Reverend Funke Adejumo have, will I say, is an advice or warning, have told her to be careful that she should carry those babies and go for DNA test if she knows what is good for her, so that she will stop all this her drama. You know, say she don't dey turn to drama queen. And again, I don't know, although after Reverend Funke Adejumo advised her, I think she did something, because we heard that she went to do DNA test and came out and was like, Oniofe, look at, she did not show Oniofe the result, though. She told him that the result shows that these children are yours. So Oniofe was surprised. Which one be say the result says that I'm the father of these children? Where is the result? That is the paper they gave you to show that this you really did a test. She said that she's not going to give it to Oniofe, that she knows why she doesn't want to bring evidence like a paper, so that Oniofe will not disclose it to every other people. He will not show it to other Oloris, that she is scared of Mariam and Ronke before they go buy her babies and all of that. That she's seriously afraid of them. Oniofe was like, which one be say you're afraid of Ronke, and how does you giving me a result of the DNA test consign Ronke and Mariam? Did I tell you that I'm going to give it to them? And she said that this is the result, that she have told you that they are your children. Oniofe was like, okay, since you don't want to give me the result, I'm going to do the test too. I'm going to carry these babies, as I'm going to tell the person that will carry the baby. You know, Oniofe cannot see the baby right now. As I'm talking to you right now, if these babies are white or blue or pink, Oniofe did not know. All he knows is that Toby gave birth to set of twins, because we heard allegedly that their tradition and custom demand that Oniofe will not see the babies until they are like 3 months. And that 3 months time, they will now be welcomed back officially into the palace of Ile-Ife. So that is why Oniofe cannot see any of them. Okay, Oniofe was like, let me go and do the test too. Toby started saying that why is it that Oniofe is disturbing her, telling her to do DNA test? That DNA test, is it more than the babies? My correct people, what we dey hear this time around be say Olori Queen Naomi saw a revelation concerning the same Toby and her babies. So according to Queen Naomi, that Toby should be careful. I don't know whether is it this one that if a priest don't talk, that Queen Naomi now see something, maybe Queen Naomi see the other aspect of it. Because if a priest told Toby that doom is about to come her way, now Queen Naomi was like, Toby, be careful, because people are really planning against you and your babies. My correct people, the worst of it all is that the person they are telling to be careful, is she going to be careful? She cannot be careful, oh, because I don't know whether she knows how to be careful. Toby self, I pity her, seriously. So according to Queen Naomi said that people are planning to exchange her babies, so that if actually these babies are only of Ife's own, that when they exchange the babies, the DNA test will now bear that these children are not even Toby's baby, not talk of Ooni of Ife's baby. And Toby was surprised. Okay, this time around we don dey hear again say if a priest storm the palace to tell Toby to be careful, that doom is about to fall her before her. That you see those people that is beating drums for her, that thing, those people that is inside the bush, abi inside wherever they are, I don't know where they are, but those people that is inside the bush or inside anywhere beating drums for her, and she had been dancing to the tune of the drums, that she should be careful, that very soon the drums will stop, that is the beating of the drums will stop, and she'll be disgraced, because those people that is beating drums for her, she have been dancing the tune of their drums. When they will stop, she will be on her own. I don't know what exactly, I don't exactly understand what this thing mean. That Toby have been doing a lot of things, thinking that she's right. I don't know. So if her priest don tell her say make she be warned that that drum is about to stop, and when the drum will stop, shame will be her own, that she will be put to shame, like seriously. And what Queen Naomi said on her own is that Toby should be careful, that these people are planning to send her out of the palace completely. That when if Ooni of Ife ever asks her to leave the palace, that she's not going to come back to that palace. Not be to go and live outside the palace and be coming, maybe visiting the palace. That they are planning seriously that she should leave the palace, because her wahala don too much. That it's like this, her babies are making her to be wild. I don't know. Anyway, my correct people, I was somehow surprised when I heard this news, even that of Queen Naomi. How is it possible that people will come to your house to see your baby and they will just exchange it? Does it mean that you no longer know your babies? Anyway, if they exchange it and leave, how are you going to trace it? If they change the babies and carry your own baby and go their way, you don't even know. The worst of it all is that you may not even know that they exchanged the baby. Before you know it, they might have left. I know it's not only the Oloris are coming to visit Toby in that her house, abi in that her mansion in Ikoyi. My correct people, Ooni of Ife don do everything wey im suppose to do for Toby o. Toby complained that the Oloris will buy her babies, and Ooni of Ife went and bought a house in Ikoyi for her, so that she will stay there with her babies. Now she's allowing everybody to come into that house to see her babies. Sometimes if people come to see your baby, even if the baby is not sleeping, you can actually say that the baby is sleeping, because you're supposed to know the kind of people that is coming to visit you, and the kind of people that you don't want them to set their eyes on your babies, because the world no balance o. The world is very very wicked. Anyway, both if her priest's own and the Queen Naomi's own, I think Toby should be very very careful. That is me for you. I don't know. May God not allow this doom that is about to fall her to come, and she should be careful, because as they dey talk am now, e go be like say na just talk. When the thing go happen now, I don't know who she's going to blame. Revelation don come. The next thing is for you to pray against that bad one, and at the end you'll be a winner. Thank you, and don't forget that the alleged information, my correct people. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.